We are going to be making some chocolate chip muffins, the big kind, like you have in the bakery. We don't want little ones, we want big ones. Y'all excuse my hair, I need a haircut. It's been like 6 or 7 months since I've had a haircut. I can't even remember the last time I had a haircut. Okay, let's let me get out what I'm gonna, I don't have anything ready. I just thought, you know what? I was not even going to make a video on this. And I go, why not? I'm gonna make these. I'm gonna share them with you. So you can make them. I got a guest today. Tina is going to sit here and she's just gonna watch me make these muffins. She has a chef's talent and she is going to make sure I do these muffins correctly. Isn't that right, Tina?
Yep.
And she might have to let the little dog in. But anyway, she's gonna sit here and observe my making these muffins. Tina is my sister-in-law, and she's lived with me and my husband 14 years.
I think so.
13 or 14, we've lost count. It's been a long time. Since she was 24 and she's now 37, almost 38. But we are going to go ahead and she's going to make sure I do these muffins right. These are some little, like the little cupcake holders. We're going to put the muffins in here. Just stick it right in your favorite muffin pan. We're going to see if these work, because we want some big, tall muffins. Am I doing it right so far, Tina?
I still want to see you doing it, right?
Okay. She's going to check it out, see if I'm doing it.
Up. That here a little bit quicker.
Okay. That was a little quicker. Okay. She got me straightened out on that. Okay.
Alright, I think it makes me feel good just being in the kitchen with you.
Okay. All right, now we are going to set this aside, but these are going to be cute. These are going to be cute muffins for Saturday morning. We're just going to set that aside and we're going to get on the ball. Okay, we are going to do some sifting. This is just a tea strainer, but I use it. It works great for sifting your flour, your sugar. So we are going to need 2 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to go ahead and start sifting. Ooh, some of it went in with, it'll be all right. That didn't take no time. I like sifting. I like sifting and cracking eggs. You feel like such a grown-up. You feel like a real baker when you sift something and when you crack an egg. Isn't that right, Tina? Now we need 3/4 cup of sifted sugar, granulated sugar. 3/4 cup. And there's some little hard stuff. We're just gonna get rid of that. Just gonna sift it also. There we go. And we need 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. I think I got enough. 1, 2, perfect. I think I got plenty. But it kind of, I'm gonna sift it. It kind of has a little hard. Got rid of that. And I'm out of, I got more. I just gotta get it out. Now we need just a pinch of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Okay, that is done. That's our dry ingredients. Oh, that's Sister Susie. I call her Sister Susie. Don't know why. We are going to add our buttermilk. And that is 1 cup of buttermilk plus 2 tablespoons. 1 cup of buttermilk plus 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. Now we need 3 whole eggs. You can crack these in a separate dish if you'd like. I was separating them. Where's my mind this morning? 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Tina says she's happy in here. What if I make you wash dishes? You gonna be happy then?
Now
She won't be
first.
happy.
Now first.
She won't be happy if I make her wash the dishes. And now we're gonna need 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And I'm just gonna eye it, because I love vanilla. Okay. I'm gonna use a little scraper spatula and kind of just fold it in. Make sure your eggs are blended well. I'm just gonna do a little well.
I see little chunks in there.
She sees little chunks.
Big chunks, big chunks.
I'm getting it, I'm getting it. I'm not finished.
Now me. You know me?
Are you finished?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she's done. She's like had enough of this. She's already had enough of me and the muffins. I knew that was gonna happen. Now how am I gonna make them without you? I'm right in the middle of making these muffins and my husband brought in my grocery order, so I'm gonna stop just a minute and put some of those things away and just let that sit there a minute. So we need 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. I'm gonna put them right in. Tina's sitting over there observing now. Now we're just gonna fold them right in. Get them good and incorporated. So now I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of walnuts, because that's what I have. You can add pecans. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's just a little left. Let's go ahead and add them all. Nuts make it better. And you can leave them out. I love walnuts. I love pecans. I have pecan trees in my yard, and I've got so many to crack. I'm ashamed, because I need to be cracking them. We are ready. We don't want to overbeat it, but everything is incorporated. See how the batter looks? It moves just a touch when you, I think it looks good. It smells really good too. See my partner over there sitting at the table, she gave up. She's supposed to be telling me what to do. She gave up. Okay, now I'm just gonna take and spray these just a little bit. Okay, we sprayed those. And the reason I'm using these, the real reason, is I can't find the other paper cups. That's what I wanted to use. Okay, we're gonna fill this, we're gonna do it just like this. Put it right in. And oh yeah, we preheat, I'm always forgetting to say that. We're preheating our oven to 410 degrees. Yes, 410 degrees. Tina's turned the TV on in the other room. She's had enough of this cooking stuff. She was adopted through social services when she was 5 months old. My mother and father-in-law adopted her, and she came to live with us when she was 24. So we became her legal guardians, and she's not feeling well. She's got a lot of health issues. So anyway, but it thrilled her to come in here and be in the video. Sometimes I always am trying to get her to be in one, but she won't. So today, I don't know, she just hit her, and she said, I want to be in a video. So that was one of the reasons that I decided just to make this a video, just for her, to make her, just so she could make her YouTube debut. She's coming in here to critique my muffins. They're not ready yet. I gotta put them in the oven. I'll let you know when they're ready, okay?
Yeah, there.
I'm getting ready to clean up. You wanna come help? You wanna come help clean up?
Her right out.
You can take that over there to the sink.
Mama,
She's helping.
I know.
Wow.
I mean, what do you want me to do?
Just
with
set
this?
it in the sink. Yep, just like that. Here, you can set this one in the sink too. Ooh, Miss Helper today.
We got my brother too. He's gonna take it to the hospital too.
Your brother's gonna take it to the doctor?
Cause I asked him to, cause something not right in my head.
Well, you know
No.
what? You weren't in here helping me, and guess what I did?
Right.
I left the butter out.
Oh!
I left the butter out. Wonder how they're gonna taste without the butter in them. I left it sitting right here between the groceries and her. Let's blame it on Tina that I left the butter out. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna blame it on Tina. We're gonna blame it on you, Tina. We're gonna blame it on her.
Yeah.
She said that's okay.
Yeah. Right.
Now I said we're gonna blame it on you that we didn't get the butter right. So they might turn out or they might not. It was actually 3 tablespoons of melted butter. What should I do? Should I dump it all out? Or should I just make them like they are and be done?
Just dump it all down and start all over.
She wants me to dump it all out. No, not dump it all out. Just remix it and put the butter in it.
I mean, just,
You want me to do that? She wants me to do that. Oh.
yeah. Just,
I guess I'm going to have to listen to the boss. She watches the kids champion bacon. What is it called?
kids baking championship.
Kids Baking Championship.
Yeah, not good thing you can put that.
That's what it's called. And she says, if you mess up, you got to start over.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to listen to the boss. We're going to start over.
You don't want mine not waiting it. Right, Fred?
Can't believe this.
Mm-hmm.
Too much going on in my household today. My husband Jeff brought in my groceries. This was a spur of the moment now. This was a spur of the moment recipe. She said she wanted to be in a video, so we're gonna blame this on Tina today. I wish I could find my other muffin cups. We're gonna get it done. So you gotta listen to the boss. She's the boss. Can't believe it. Okay, everyone, guess what I found? I found these little muffin paper. What are they called? They're called cupcake. I don't know, cupcake liners. We're gonna be muffin liners today. Okay, that's done. Now I need my 3 tablespoons of butter melted. I'm gonna get it melted in the microwave. Just can't believe I did it. But I did find my little cupcake liners. And now we have, make sure this is not hot. It is just warm. Just gonna kind of stir this around. So now we're just going to do the same thing again. I think these will be better. My problem is, I just hate it when these little liners move. This was not a planned video, but maybe it should have been. Maybe sometimes things that aren't planned are the best. She wasn't feeling well and I was trying to cheer her up a little bit. I thought this might would help. 12 exactly. You don't want to leave none of that yummy goodness in there. Perfect. And we didn't waste any of it. My oven is preheating to 410 degrees. I'm going to set this in the refrigerator and just let it get good and cold. I just like doing that. I don't know, there's something about it. Or let it just sit and kind of stabilize for about 15 minutes. You know what, guys? I just don't think there's enough chocolate chips in here. So I'm going to add a few more on top. I just like chocolate chips. I mean, it's the way I want it. I went one on the floor. Let's just add a few. Just yes. We're going to put these in a 410 degree oven for 5 minutes, and then we're going to turn it down to 365 degrees for 13 minutes. My alarm is going off, and we're going to turn that oven down to 365 degrees. Okay, done. Let me finish washing my dishes. Look at how gorgeous these muffins are. Oh my gosh. Perfect. And I'm so glad that I added the extra chocolate chips. We're gonna put these out on a wire rack and let them cool. Oh, I'm so excited. So these muffins have cooled some now. We gotta eat them while they're warm. So my little helper decided to go with her brother, so we're gonna test them ourselves. She left me. You see, these are little bakery muffins. If I had a bakery, look at that. If I had a bakery, I'd be making these muffins. Now I'm just letting you know. But I can bake them, and you can bake them in your oven. And I'm so glad I did add those extra chocolate chips. I'm like the muffin top off. I don't know how you eat your muffin, but I do like to take the muffin top off. Look at that. So good. I need a cup of coffee now. Comment and give a little shout out to Tina. Let her know you enjoyed her supervising me this morning. You guys go have a wonderful, wonderful day.